Hey everybody, it's quite Luxembourgish here, and you guys know I'm a world conqueror for current world, that's in the title, and I'm gonna try this out. So, you guys remember back in 1939 when there was Nazi Germany, and I'm gonna try to recreate it for its full extent. So, it's gonna be Germany, of course. So, there was Czechoslovakia over here, but now there's Austria and Czechoslovakia. So now I just gotta I gotta declare war on both of them, of course. So yeah. Hold on, wait, what is the country called again? Yeah. Austria. Give me that Austria. No, that's Hungary. Any second now. I still can't. Oh, there's Austria and there's the Czech Republic. Okay. Now all I gotta do, go to Berlin over here. Take this, the ICB missile. No, we don't have any nukes. Great. Alrighty, let's bomb. Why did that take so long? Why is my game lagging? This is a good thing. Okay, now it's working actually. Gotta get Vienna. Gotta keep on bombing. And, to make it all even now, I'm gonna have to take over some other countries over here to actually make it look like it. So I don't know. We'll go see. Alright. That should be about it. Got a paratroop here. Does that look like it? Yeah. Kind of. Oh yeah, there you go. So there you have it. Nazi Germany has been recreated, but with this Maverick Angela Merkel. Please subscribe for more. Goodbye.